So in the third of today's 3 little mini videos on how to fold, I'm going to be showing you next how to fold tracksuit bottoms. Exciting! So first what you're going to do is take your tracksuit bottoms and fold them in half across themselves. You're going to pinch the bum and then fold them over in two so they're pretty much halfway folded over, like so. So you're going to put it down on a flat surface like this. You're going to fold the bum portion in, and using the rule of 3, we're going to go 1 and 2. And then you should get this lovely standing pile like so, that fits directly into your drawers with other things like the hoodie I showed you from earlier on, or other maybe sports related outfits or kind of t-shirts that you like to keep together. Do check out the blog where I show you photographs of how this fits into my own drawers and what I store it with, and you can see how easy it is for me to access everything, and that everything is sort of like standing on its own and independent, so even if I take something out, it doesn't fall over. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time watching, please do hit the subscribe button. I share weekly and on Wednesdays. Hello, Ivory. Ivory wants to say hello again, don't you, darling? Yes. Do you want to be a YouTube star? On the first Wednesday of the month, I share a video on weddings. On the second Thursday of the month, I share a Tidy Thursday video. And on the third Friday of the month, I share a Fun Friday video, which is up next week, and then I'm going to be sharing with you how I design and prep for a dinner party. Really excited to share that one with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Look forward to sharing with you next week. Bye!